Good day everyone, I will present you about the introduction proposal. This proposal focuses on polymer processing, which converts raw polymer material into useful product with control shape, size and properties. For processing method will be studied compression molding, screw extrusion, injection molding and silicone rubber gel. The main objective is to investigate how different processing parameters affect the quality of the final products. We will evaluate the characteristics such as surface quality, filling thickness, shape, and possible defects through visual observation. Thank you.
This flowchart presents our experimental procedure. First, we select the material and classify is either thermoplastic or thermoset. For thermoplastic, PP is processed by compression molding, where the amount of material and preheating time are controlled. By screw extrusion, where the melting temperature and screw speed are the main parameter. LDPE is processed by injection molding, with temperature and pressure as a key parameter. For thermoset, silicone rubber is prepared using the casting process by controlling the weight ratio. Finally, all samples undergo visual observation to evaluate the final product quality.
For compression molding, our experiment focused on two parameters, which are the amount of material and the preheating time. The standard condition was 42.69 gram with 7 minute preheating, 3 minute clamping, and 3 minute cooling. And the other samples were adjusted from this condition and added plus minus 10 gram from the amount to study the effect of material on the molding result. For injection molding, the parameters are temperature and injection pressure. A control sample was first prepared at 220 degrees and 75 megapascal. Then the other sample were molded at 230 degrees and 235 degrees with pressure 65, 70 and 80 megapascal. These parameters were selected to observe how change in temperature and pressure affect the flow of LDPE and the quantity of final molded product.
For the screw extrusion process, two processing parameters were proposed, melting temperature and screw speed. The melting temperature was set at 210, 220 and 230 degrees Celsius, while the screw speed was 15 and 25 RPM. These parameters were selected to evaluate how the temperature and screw speed affect the melt flow and extrusion efficiency. For the silicone rubber curing time, 3:2 Halogen ratio were proposed, 1:1, 1.5:1 and 1:1.5. This ratio was chosen to investigate how the mixing ratio influenced the cross-linking process and curing time.
Next, I will present the expected outcome of our lab proposal. For compression molding, the optimal amount of PP material and suitable preheating time are expected to produce a sample with complete mold filling, smooth surface and uniform thickness. For screw extrusion, the correct temperature and screw speed should give stable extrusion, smooth surface and consistent product shape. For injection molding, stable temperature and pressure expected to improve cavity filling and reduce defects such as voids, flashing and dimension problems. Lastly, the silicone rubber gel and curing time, the correct paste to hardener ratio should be produced proper curing, smooth appearance and uniform sample structure. Overall, the best processing condition will be selected by comparing the visual quality of the sample.